Let's get started. First, open Steam. In the top left corner, click on Steam. Then select Check for Steam Client Updates. If a new Steam update is available, install it. Make sure your Steam client is fully up to date before proceeding. Now click on Steam again in the top left corner. Select Settings. On the left side, click on Downloads. Scroll down and locate Clear Cache. Click on it. A message will appear informing you that you'll be logged out of Steam. Click Confirm. Steam will now clear the download cache and sign you out. After Steam closes or logs you out, open the Start menu and type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Click Yes. Now type the following command and press Enter ipconfig/flush DNS. Once the command completes, type netsh winsock reset. Then press Enter again. These commands will refresh your network settings and help resolve connection issues. Restart your computer. Once Windows starts again, open Steam and sign back into your account. SteamTools should now be able to connect to the Internet normally without displaying the No Internet Connection error.